Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income and how you can earn it effortlessly. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort, allowing you to enjoy life while your finances grow. Imagine waking up to find your bank account has increased overnight. This concept is incredibly appealing, especially for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. In this video, we'll explore unconventional strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. So, get ready to be inspired and motivated as we uncover the secrets to making money work for you, rather than the other way around. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no ongoing effort, unlike active income, which requires continuous work, such as a salary from a job. This distinction is crucial because passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep, giving you the freedom to pursue other interests or spend time with loved ones. The benefits are immense: financial security, reduced stress, and the ability to invest in your passions. There are various passive income streams to explore, including rental properties, dividend stocks, and online businesses. By understanding and leveraging these opportunities, you can create a sustainable income that works for you, enhancing your financial well-being. My journey to $1,000. Let me share my personal journey to earning $1,000 in passive income. It all started with a simple blog where I shared my passion for cooking. I utilized affiliate marketing and ad revenue, which gradually built up over time. I also invested in dividend stocks, using platforms like Robinhood to make it easy. One memorable moment was when I received my first dividend payment. It felt like a small victory. However, consistency and patience were key. I dedicated time each week to create content and monitor my investments. It wasn't an overnight success, but with persistence, I reached that $1,000 milestone, proving that anyone can achieve similar results with the right approach. Top passive income strategies. Let's explore some effective strategies for generating passive income that you can start today. First up is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for each sale. Many successful bloggers and influencers have built lucrative businesses this way. Next, consider rental income. Owning property can provide a steady cash flow, and platforms like Airbnb make it easier than ever. Digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, are another great option, allowing you to share your expertise while earning money. As you think about these strategies, reflect on your own skills and interests. Choosing a path that resonates with you will increase your chances of success and fulfillment. Common mistakes to avoid. As you embark on your passive income journey, it's crucial to avoid common pitfalls. One major misconception is that passive income is easy money. While it can be rewarding, it often requires significant upfront effort and dedication. Many aspiring earners mistakenly underestimate the time and resources needed to build a successful income stream. Common errors include neglecting research, failing to diversify income sources, and giving up too soon. To overcome these challenges, take the time to educate yourself about your chosen strategy, set realistic goals, and remain patient. Remember, building passive income takes time, but with persistence and the right mindset, you can achieve lasting financial success. Taking action. Now that you've learned about passive income, it's time to take action and start your journey today. Remember, every big achievement begins with small, manageable steps. Start by identifying one passive income strategy that resonates with you, whether it's creating a blog, investing in stocks, or developing a digital product. Set aside a few hours each week to research and plan your approach. Don't be afraid to take that first step, as taking action is crucial for success. The sooner you begin, the closer you'll get to financial freedom. So, roll up your sleeves, stay committed, and watch as your efforts transform into a rewarding passive income stream. In this video, we explored various strategies for generating passive income, including affiliate marketing, rental income, and creating digital products. We discussed the importance of understanding that passive income requires effort and persistence, debunking the myth of it being easy money. Remember, success in this journey comes from continuous learning and adapting your approach. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to engage with us by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your path to financial freedom. Let's take this journey together.